Right, okay, we're at Whitby and we've just been into trenches. Now we're parked right at the back of the car park. It's midweek. There's not many children about, but we feel like we're the youngest here and we're in our early 60s. Everybody's taking the opportunity to get out, I think, the older folks like us, without any children being around. I'd imagine it would be heaving on a weekend. The trenches fish cake. So I'm going to start by cutting that in half. Okay, it's got a lovely exterior. I'll put this one out the way for a second. Look at that. Yeah. Let's try the tartar sauce again. This is in-house. Yeah, what a combination. That really is nice. Well, I'm going to finish that off. Right. Whitby Scampi. Let's have a little look at that. How could we not come to Whitby and not have their scampi? Now I can take or leave scampi wherever we go, but not here, not in Whitby. Well, it tastes as good as any good Whitby scampi I've had elsewhere outside of Whitby. Let's try this with a bit of their tartar sauce. One more. Now, even though it's in separate, which is nice, it's always nice to have separates, there's not a massive amount. It's a standard portion, not a massive amount of chip, but there's enough. So let's give one a try. A little bit hard. Yeah, could have done with just a touch longer, I think. Now let's have a little look at this haddock. So I could just move it off there onto there. Left a lot of fat behind, but now then, let's have a look. I'm going straight for the thick end here and see what we got. Haddock, and it's actually got the skin on, which is commonplace for haddock. I like it. That's got a really sweet flavour, but I'm going to put a touch more salt on. I'm going to put a dash of vinegar on, and I'm going to go at it again. Let's have a go at the mushy peas. Okay. Yeah, they're really nice. The tartar sauce is their own. I would imagine the mushy peas being their own. Right, okay, I've given that a good testing. You've noticed that a bit more of that is missing because there's been a little clip in the film where my wife has taken a little bit more, and I better stop the film now because there might not be anything left for me. If it's only a takeaway you're interested in, I did pass going south out of the town over the bridge on the estuary. I did spot another trenches, and that was just a takeaway version. There's a car park round just shortly after that, which had plenty of room in it. So it would have just been a little walk to the takeaway, which, like I say, looked dead, really. It looked empty. The scampi was really nice. You know, I mean, it's just the fact that you're in Whitby. You've got to have a little go at the Whitby scampi. Not that it's not Whitby scampi wherever you go. I just believe that that's where it's all processed from all over the country, and it's sent out then from there. The fish I did find a little overdone. The batter was lovely. It was crispy. It didn't taste burnt or anything like that, but it was just a bit dry, really, the fish. So it's a shame. But it was still good. It was still tasty. Let's have a look at some of these reviews. 1 star. Ordered a large cod and chips. Cod was small. Chips not the best. Seats were also uncomfortable. 3 star. The food was nice but very expensive. £18 for fish and chips. Double the price of other fish and chip shops, but certainly not double the quality. 5 stars. We've been coming here for 30 years and it's always been excellent. Tonight was no exception. The special seafood salad starter was fabulous and the haddock was beautiful. The Magpie is the only other restaurant that comes close. Mine, 4 stars. Eager to try Whitby Scampi in Whitby. I visited Trenchers, one of the most popular traditional fish and chip shops in town. The staff were friendly and polite, and the takeaway section was clean and tidy. There was also a large restaurant. The scampi was delicious with a crispy and sweet breading. The tartar sauce was thick and tasty, the perfect accompaniment for the scampi. The haddock was slightly overdone, and the chips a bit underdone, but still tasty, with the haddock fillet being a good size and thick. The fish cake was lovely, with just the right consistency, moist and not too heavy. There is a large parking area across from Trenchers, which is pay and display for all, including disabled parking. Cooking in, beef dripping, hygiene rating 5, cash or card, fish reviewed, haddock. So, see you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024. So if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.